the half and half one. So to do a half and half pom-pom, just move that to the side, you choose 2 different colors. So it's quite nice if you do like contrasting colors. So I'm going to do like golden yellow and a neon pink. So just find the end. Give myself a bit of slack. So you put your end, and you're only going to wrap on half of your tulle. So just on this half. And then we'll wrap the other color just next to it. So you want to just cover that area and then only wrap on top of that area. So when I do the bottom color, I usually just hold it with my thumb so that I don't have like 2 strands of yellow going across my pom-pom. So I'll just wrap on the bottom here. I think I did a little bit too much pink, so I just make sure I'm gonna have my little hole at the bottom, so I hold my thumb there. And you can just wrap around. There we go. And then I get my string. And then I'll show you the knot again. So you get your string down in that hole. Go wrap it over, down the hole again. Get that in the middle. So you've wrapped it once all the way around. So on the back you have 2 strings, on the front you have 1. And then you're going to do the double overhand. So that's what I've got. So it's left over right and left over right again. And you pull that, slide it off, and then you pull it tighter. And then left over right as like a single knot. And then give it a little squeeze. Just to make sure. If it's not tight enough, you can just get another piece of string and wrap it around a little bit tighter on top of this string. And then I just do a regular double knot here. And cut. There we go. Ready for cutting open all the loops. There we go. It's already looking really cool. I love these 2 colors together. So I just roll it around and then get my tray. I use a different size this time. So I'll get it right in the middle so that I've got kind of equal parts. And then I just cut around. So move that up. Just cut around my pom-pom. So you can see just like how dense it is because I'm trimming it down a bit more than the other one. And I put my trim guide in the middle again. And just trim those. I think like having sharp scissors is like cannot be underrated when you do like crafts like this, and they make such a difference. Okay, so give it a little roll around in my hands again. And then I use my scissors to trim. So just going to rotate my pom-pom around, just cutting, cutting, cutting. Sometimes I actually cut, sometimes there's nothing to cut. And when I rotate and everything is like even, then I move on to the next like side. So I think that's good. Oh, I've got like a random little growth on the side here. So I'm gonna trim that down. There's another little like corner. And you just keep, like I just use the blades of the scissors to kind of brush it up in case there's little fibers stuck down that I haven't trimmed yet. I want to make sure I get all of those little sticky uppy bits. So there we go. I love that one. Such a cool color. And you can see there's like a really good definition. Where's my darning needle? So you can sometimes just like push your fibers where they need to go if you want like a really clear definition, if any of the like pink is going over to the mustard side.